Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Jenny's and the Crazy Country Couponer channel. We've got more double dip glitches that not only save you money but make you money. And you know you want to know, so come on in and like the video on your way in. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you too, like that video on your way in. That way it saves you a little time and it's going to save you a lot of money. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, let's fix that too while we're here. Hit the subscription button and that notification bell. That way you won't have to remember where you got all this awesome information, because you'll get it every time. And you'll never miss a deal steal glitch, free stuff, and hanging out with some crazy friends. So right there below, make sure your notification bell is on all. And everybody, again, check those notifications in your YouTube app. Make sure they're on all. And share with your friends. They'll love you for it. Guys and gals, we got more double dip earned and digital savings. And of course, we've got this clearance event coming up fast. So I'm going to show you where you can get some paper coupons if you did not get the newspaper. You can get them quickly. But today is Tuesday. You want to order them today. Okay? That way they'll be here by Saturday for you to use them on the clearance event. Because a lot of this stuff is on clearance. And we do have some glitching paper coupons, again, that you want to know about. So first off, let's talk about what we have at hand right now. And that's these new earn double dips. And we calling them glitches because in the introduction to the earned program, it says that you can use one or the other. You won't get both. So if you've used your coupon, technically, then you could get a second item and use your earn. Now, what's happening is, on some of these items, not all of these items, the earn is attaching along with the coupon. Hence the glitch. Now, first up, we've got Raid. Now, a lot of times this particular Raid stuff is on the clearance. And there's usually some sort of Raid on the clearance. But we normally only have like a 50-cent coupon, where they're giving us a $2 coupon. And it's doing the double dip earn. They're $4.50. And you'll be saving $4. This is the reason why I love my crazy friends. And why you need to make sure you read the comments. Even come back to a previous video just to check out the comments. Okay? Because as a group, yes, we are friends. I want you guys to talk to each other. I want us to share things, you know. So going back and forth between videos to extend the conversation, hey, works. So on this particular coupon, sorry guys, you're going to hear a cat in the background meowing. It's kitten time around here, and one of my cats wants her kitten, and her kitten don't want her. It's usually the other way around. But back to what we were talking about. Because they're going to put you onto some other things. And this is one of those other things. This expires today. You want to go do this deal today. Okay? This is buy 3, get $1 off. And so you are going to get $2 off on 3, which means you're going to pay $1 for 3 of the peanut butter cookies. And thank you, my crazy friend who told me about that. Also works on the blueberry muffin mix for $1. So 3 of those is going to be $1. So this is an awesome deal. Go do this today. Matter of fact, I'm going to get myself together and go do this right now. As soon as I get done with this. Next, these Mott's and these Scooby snacks are giving double dips. You're going to be paying $1 for 2. Okay? These are working on the dollar boxes. It also expires soon. Very soon. So, get out there and get this today. You got kiddos going back to school. This is perfect for their lunch. On the Wonder Bread, you've got 25-cent and a 25-cent earn. That's 50 cents off. That'll make your bread less than $3. Wow. Every time I think and say that about bread, it just blows me away. And I mean, really guys, I am not that old. But I remember in the 70s, which is not that long ago, paying 35 cents for a loaf of bread. 35 cents. So, you know, when I was younger, I used to marvel at the elder people who would always make those comparisons, you know. When I was a kid, you know, gas only cost blah, blah, blah. And I used to wonder why had such a fixation about that. Well, now I know why they have such a fixation about that. It just seems absolutely ridiculous that prices should change that much. Next up is these Lipton 64 fluid ounce teas. They're $2.75. You got a $1.50 coupon coming off. And actually, they're on sale 2 for $4. You could pick up 2 and get $1.50 off. Okay, next up, we've got the Lipton iced tea. And it's a 64 fluid ounce. They are on sale 2 for $4. And you can get $1.50. You can get $1 off. You can earn 50 cents. So out of pocket for that is going to be $2.50 for 2. Yeah, winner deal right here. And if you do it with just one, because it will work also with just one. Because I want you to notice this. Sometimes on your earn, you must buy 2. But look, you can do this up to 5 times per purchase. So, we're going to get back $1 instead of just 50 cents. So, you will be paying $2 for 2. Winner, guys. That's why we need to remember to read the small print. Next, we got these Clorox sprays. They are $6.50. You're going to save $2 and you're going to earn 2. So your bottom line for that is going to be $2.50 on the Clorox disinfecting spray. And there might be some of this on the clearance. I think I've seen some of this out there. Okay, next I want to talk to you about the Aleve. Now on this Aleve, you've got to earn 3. And you can redeem it up to 5 times per purchase, okay? So you could actually do a 5 off 25 with this Aleve. If you use this product a lot, you could do a 5 off 25 and save a lot of money. So let's have a look at it. These are $12.50 a piece. $12.25. These are $12.25 a piece. 2 of them is going to put you right there, pretty much where you need to be. Short 50 cents. So you can pick up a piece of candy, something, to put you over the top. So we're just going to add another $1. Oh, Crest mouthwash. Add a Crest mouthwash. It's absolutely free. It's $1. And if you're in an older operating system store, add the 2 Oral-B toothbrushes that are giving you overage. So let's just say we're spending $25.50 on 2 of the 90 tablet Aleves. We also have 2 coupons on this Aleve. We've got a $2 and then we've got a $1.50. So you're looking at 3 more $1.50 coming off. So total, just in coupons coming off, is $9.50. Now, if we're going to do this on a 5 off 25, of course, there's an additional $5, so $14.50. So we're just going to show you the math real quick, on paper. It's the 2 Aleve 90 count for $24.50. You got 2 coupons coming off, $1.50 and a $2. We've got the Crest Travel Mouthwash for $1. It's glitching and the dollar coupon's attaching. And so you're at $25.50. Now you're really close, so watch those numbers. You might have to pick up a piece of candy. Now you got $9.50 just in your coupons. So you're looking at $16. And then you're going to earn back $6 because you can claim this up to 5 times per purchase. So you're going to earn back $6 on this transaction. So your final out-of-pocket will be $10. And I checked with Walmart, a 200 count is $24. So there you go. Awesome deal. On these Dunkaroos, you can redeem these up to 5 times the purchase. And they are 2 different earns. So you could actually, in theory, get 10 of these if you wanted to, if they had them. And these things, by the way, are on clearance. So check those little food clearance sections that they have in the store. Now we also have a double dip on some Energizer batteries. The 4-pack. You've got a $1 coupon, a 50-cent coupon, and a 50-cent cash back. And you can redeem this up to 3 times. So you could pick up multiple packages on this and still save money, guys. And up to August, I think 19th, we have a $4 instant savings when you spend $25 on Energizer batteries. And of course, with school starting and electronics, who knows how many batteries you might need. We also have another one, and it is on the Milk Bone Dipped Dog Treats. These are $4.75, I believe, and you've got a 75-cent coupon and a 50-cent earn, guys. So, decent deal. Saves you money on some dog treats. Now, those earns are also working on the soft and chewy treats for $3.25, and that coupon is also attaching to that as well. So this is a cheaper snack. It'd be $1.25 off, I do believe. Now, if you use the Progresso soup, it is also double dipping, guys. Save $1 on 3 and earn $1 any variety, any size. And let's see, you can redeem it just one time, so you will just be getting $1 back, and you must purchase 3 to qualify. So next up, do you do Pop-Tarts for your kids? Because if you do, we have $1 off coupon on any 2 Pop-Tarts, and they are on sale 4 for $8 on select Kellogg's cereal or Pop-Tarts. And we have a lot of cashback offers, 50-cent offers on Kellogg's, as well as $1 cashback offer on Kellogg's Special K. Okay, to go through each one of these coupons again is going to take too long, so we're just going to do it like this, guys. 3 of the Betty Crocker for $3, or if you want to go over a little bit, you can. 2 of the Mott's snacks for $2, and that's the Scooby or the Mott's. 2 Pop-Tarts. 2 boxes of Frosted Flakes. Make sure you scan, and they are the ones that are the 4 for $8, which is an awesome deal in itself, okay? To get stocked up on cereal for the kids for the winter. 2 of your Ritz peanut butter bites for $6.90, and 3 of those little 4-pack Oreos that cost $1. That's going to bring you to the $9 that you need to get that $2 off. Now, at this point, you're at $28.90. You've got your $5 off, and you've got $10.50 in coupons, so you're at $18.40. And your earn items that you're going to be getting back for cash back to spend is $6.50. And of course, you can roll that right back into other food items, which is another reason why this is awesome. This is 17 items, guys. This is a winner deal. Leaves you enough money to buy milk. So there is you a daily deal. Now just keep in mind that the Betty Crocker and the Mott's snacks are going to expire today. So get those deals going. And everybody, don't forget about our August gift card giveaway. All you have to do is watch 2 videos in a row, make a comment, like, share, and on that 3rd video, we'll be doing a random Dollar General gift card giveaway. So don't forget about that. Don't forget to come back and see us. Blessings. And we'll talk again real soon, because you know there's always more deals, steals, glitches, and awesome information.